Here's a quick product review and setup for this RedTiger Zoom Pic dashcam. I was gifted this product by RedTiger so I could create this video to show you guys what it looks like and how to set up in your car. Let's unbox it so I can show you exactly what's included with the purchase. This is a reference sheet that shows you where all the buttons are and what they do. This is a RedTiger Zoom Pic dashcam. What makes this dashcam different than others is that it has both a wide angle and a telephoto lens, which is able to capture license plates clearly. It uses a Sony starvis 2 sensor, which captures great video both day and night. It saves the video locally onto a micro SD card. The maximum capacity is 512 gigabits. It also has an adjustable mounting plate that allows you to adjust the camera's angle when it's mounted on the windshield. It comes with these electrostatic sheets that makes installation and removal of the camera simple. It also comes with these 3 booklets. One is a user manual, another is for the mobile app, and the last one is a quick start guide. They are well written and super easy to understand. They do include illustrations to guide you along on how to set up and operate the dashcam. Take some time to read it before installing it onto your car. There are some helpful hints on how to install it onto your car. Let's see what's in these 2 smaller boxes. This first one has the power adapter. Also included are the cable management clips and this plastic pry tool that helps you hide the cable behind your pillars, ceilings, and doors. Power cable plugs into your cigarette lighter and has a long cable that allows you to install it either on the driver or passenger side. The second box is for the rear view camera. It uses a thin cable for both the video and power, and is super easy to route through your door panels or in the ceilings. Here's everything that you get in the package. The camera is super easy to install and is made for the everyday user. It took me about 30 minutes to install this in my car. The first thing that I did was remove these protective film off of the lenses. Do not touch the lenses with your fingers. The next thing that I did was plug in the power into the cigarette lighter. There is a USB port at the end that allows you to plug in any USB devices while the dashcam is on, which is extremely useful when you need to charge your phone. The next thing that I recommend you do is to clean the interior of your windshield. For my mounting position, I'm going to install this on the passenger side. Using a microfiber towel, I'm going to carefully clean the area that I'm going to mount the camera at. Then I'm going to use this electrostatic sheet and attach it to the window. This makes removing or relocating the dashcam simple in the future. It also won't leave any messy adhesive on the window after you remove it. Using the microfiber cloth, gently press the sheet to remove any bubbles. The next thing you want to do is to mount the camera itself. If needed, get a small level to make sure that the camera is mounted in the right angle. The worst thing you want to do is install the dashcam not perfectly aligned with the horizon. Remove the protective film from the adhesive, then mount the camera directly onto the electrostatic sheet. I like to mount my camera as high as possible to ensure that I get a good view. To install the rear camera, you can either install it inside or outside the car. The camera is waterproof. For my installation, I'm installing it on the inside of the car. The rear camera does have a wide view and will easily capture the blind spots in the rear of the vehicle. The rear camera does record in 1080p. The dashcam will automatically turn on when you start the car. It does have a responsive touchscreen that makes navigating the menus super easy. As I mentioned earlier, you're able to adjust the camera's tilt by moving it up and down like this. There's also this red button on the side that you can use to capture those emergency situations. The dashcam also has HDR. It also has an anti-shake technology that will help stabilize your image even if you're on a bumpy road. It also timestamps the date, time, speed, and GPS of the car. And with the mobile app, it will display your car on a map showing you where the video was taken and the speed that you were traveling. Having a dashcam is a simple way to protect your vehicle and yourself. With this RedTiger dashcam, it is specifically designed to capture license plate with its wide angle and telephoto lenses.